first to have the conversations in the classroom so that everyone can be learner. Even I'm Buddhism. I learn for my students, especially the last semester. Some of them gave some insight, thought about Buddhist approach and so forth. It's very interesting. So this is the environment where we come together to learn. Right? As I just provide the guidance for you to follow the syllabus, but actually we need to involve together in the learning process. Okay? So the reason why I'm really concerned about your attendance, that's just 20 points, and participation, especially reading this one. I asked my student last semester that that's a heavy duty for them, or heavy load for them, and they said this is okay. So for you, I just like you to write a page of a reading this one per day, that's all. Okay. Yeah. Every day, like before we finish the class, I will pause the topic, and you pick up the topics, and you write anything about that topic, so that when you come back here on Wednesday with that paper, you can share with your friends and other people the idea about that topic. Yeah. For example, on Wednesday we talk about the life of Buddha, so you can share something like how could he live the luxury life for the spiritual inclination, for example. So you write anything about that topic. Plus, on the top of that, I pause on the own course. Let's see. If you right here, if you this is syllabus here, and if you click on resources, there's, for example, chapter 2, the career of Siddhartha. I put a lot of information about him, so you can read that. Of course, last semester I didn't put this kind of information, and I just like to see how the student went out to do the research, but most of them could not, because of course they may not have much time, plus they didn't know the proper way how to do the research. Okay, so this information I think is enough, is sufficient for you to write for one page of a reading this one. Okay. Okay, and yeah, for the last, so I will focus on the participation, they will respond, and I count. Please keep this card. This is your attendance after the class. Please write down the date. Yeah, please write the date. Every day you come here to pick up your own card. Write down your name and the date. Like today is January 30th. Yes? Oh, you don't have this? Sorry. Yeah, you have. Yeah, please write your name and the date. And after, before you go, please give me back the card. And then on Wednesday you come here and pick up and write down the date. I know that sometimes we're sick, sometimes we have family problems, sometimes we may have some problem at work and so forth. This is understandable. I give you 2 days, but I know sometimes we may have some problem to do with things in our daily life. So if you have some problems, let's say you're sick or you have business problems, so forth, that you could not come to class, please email to me or let me know, so that they can mark that you have the SQ answer. Otherwise, if you don't tell me anything, I have to take it out, and I have to subtract the points. That's the thing that we want. Okay, so if you have anything urgent, like today you need to go, right? That's fine. Yeah. Or if you have some problem, you let me know by email, okay? Or pause on the course through the message. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, the last one, comprehensive exam again. You pick your topic, whichever topic throughout the class, throughout the semester. You pick any topic you like, or you do presentation. Since we have only one day, I mean that's one session to do presentation. So I did only 5 person. Each person does 15 minutes of presentation. Well, we talk about that in the middle of semester, not now. So we have plenty of choices here. Okay, and again, as soon as you hear that you participate, you attend the class, you attend and participate in the class, plus you do the written response. I think this is it's not hard to follow the class. Plus, I think you can enjoy the class. So that's why I say that grade this kind of stress-free environment. Yes.
Did you say we were turning in the daily reading responses?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. So let's say before we end the class today, and we pose some questions, some topics. You pick the topics and write one page of that topic.
Okay.
And you bring here on Wednesday. Before you hand to me, you can share with the classmate of the topic that you have read. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Any more questions? Okay. So how many of you have the book already? Okay. So you can order.
I ordered them online, and I went to pick them up before I came here, and they didn't process it yet.
How about order?
Say, I just ordered, it's $20 on Amazon,
Order.
and I've got it ordered, so.
Okay. So they say if you 2 days shipping free, is it right?
No, it's, so
No?
it will be here between the 15th to 21st.
In meantime, you can you read online? Can you read? Okay, on the Google Book, right?
I'm going to try to find it online, or
Oh. Okay. How about others? You have any problem to order the books? Okay, I think it's a problem, right? Okay. All right. So. She called for everything. So it's better. You can write your name and write the date, so that this is. I think I can give her even a card next time. Okay.